Hi, I'm Robert Stapleton, and I'm the artist and creator of Veteran Falls Memorial down in Granbury, Texas. Veteran Falls is a 290-foot memorial waterfall for those that have died in the war on terrorism. And this is my good friend Thomas. Thomas is 21 as of last week. And Thomas is here at the Dallas Boat Show, which is way bigger and more exciting than we ever thought, wasn't it, Thomas? To promote Veteran Falls. What do you think, Tom? Isn't this great? You know, it's a little cold outside, but I'll tell you, it's warm in here. This is where you need to be if you're looking for fantastic boats that are awesome and unbelievable. They've got some new stuff out that I've never seen. Thomas hasn't either. So we're going to go check it out some more on your Jeep, aren't we, Tom? Can you give everybody a little wave there, Tom? Give everybody a little wave. We look to see you at the boat show. Bye-bye.
I gotta make a...